So the visit of Andhra Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan to Tirumala and his darshan of Lord Venkateshwara, the entire visit has had very clear political messaging. Even before he took the pedestrian pathway, the Srivari Metlu from Alipiri to Tirumala, after landing in Tirupati on Tuesday evening, Pawan Kalyan made important statements. He said, one, that the Supreme Court had not said in unequivocal terms that the ghee that had been used was unadulterated, and that certain clarifications were required and those would be given by the government. Second thing he said was that the Laddu Rao itself was only a tipping point and there had been multiple desecrations that had happened of Hindu temples. He mentioned about 219 temples had been desecrated in the last 4 to 5 years. He specifically mentioned a Ram temple and an idol as well, which was vandalized. The third messaging that Pawan Kalyan has done is that he has made a declaration that there will be a declaration that will be given after he holds a public meeting in the evening today, and then subsequently he says there will be a declaration, and we can expect that that will be a political agenda that he will set on the protection of the Sanatana Dharma. He has been speaking already, proposing the Sanatana Dharma Parirakshan Parishad so that the traditions and the beliefs and the attacks on the Hindu community can be minimized or controlled. The messaging in going to the temple itself was one, that yes, there have been several violations of the traditions and what he called as desecrations that needed to be seeken for, for which he wanted to seek forgiveness of the Lord, and therefore he was going to the Tirumala temple. And along with that, he took his two daughters. One of them, Polina, happens to be a non-Hindu, and she signed a declaration, and he as her guardian also signed the same declaration because she happens to be a minor. And then they visited the temple. The declaration has gained prominence in recent past because the Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu as well as Purandeshwari BJP chief and others have been demanding of Jagan Mohan Reddy that he must sign a declaration before he enters the temple, since he is a Christian, he is a non-Hindu. So the messaging through the daughter that we must follow what the temple's traditions or customs are, and therefore the signature that he has done in the declaration itself.